Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to run a basic Flask application. First of all, we need Python installed on our machine to run Flask. In my case, I have got Anaconda 3 installed on my machine, so I'm going to use Anaconda prompt. I can show you from where you can open Anaconda prompt. Just go to Start menu and then go to Anaconda 3, and there is Anaconda PowerShell prompt. I'm using this, so let's get started. First of all, you can just create a notepad file to write your Python code. I have already written a little code for Flask applications, so it is showing this file. Then you have to install Flask using pip install flask command. It will take a couple of seconds. So basically, importing a Flask module in the project is mandatory. It is an object of Flask class, and Flask class is our WSGI application, that is web server gateway interface, which describes how a web server communicates with web applications. So let me tell you a little bit about the code. So here we are just importing the Flask from the Flask module. Then this is the name of the app. Like, this is a variable. You can use anything here. I have used app, that is app. This is the Flask constructor. Flask constructor takes the name of current module, that is name, as argument. Then next is app.route. Route function of the Flask class is a decorator which tells the application which URL should call the associated function, that is hello function. So whatever route whatever URL I will put here, my application will be hosted there. Like if I will put this hello, then this hello function will be called on this URL, on this path. So here this is the main function, and I am running my app using app.run. By default it runs on localhost on port number 5000, and debugging is false. If you want to change the arguments, you can. First let me show you how this app will run. Okay, here just type python test.py. Here it is. So it is, you can see my app is running on localhost 127.0.0.1 and for port number 5000. Let's see how it looks like. Type localhost with port number. You can see it is saying not found, but we have given this URL, if you remember. Then only my hello function will be called. See, hello, how are you? One more thing you can change, if you can also give variable names. Like if I want to give string, you can give it like this. If you want to give a name, again. Not found. If I will put, it is still saying not found. Why? Our application debug mode is off. So I told you that by default debug mode will be off. Now I will open my application code again, and here I will do debug is equal to true. Now whatever change I will do, I don't need to manually restart it again and again, because debug is equal to true will work for me. Let's see. Now you can see debug mode is on and my application is working. Hello Kritika, how are you? So let's change a little bit more. Okay, so here let's say if I want to give an int, like a number, like an ID or something, and my function is also taking this, and here I'm not returning a string, I'm returning string ID multiply by 4. Whatever the number I'm giving, I will give, it will return multiply by 4, and I'm changing the function name to null. Right? Okay. So I have changed a lot in my code, and you can see here it is showing detected change in test.py and reloading. So that's the magic. You don't need to reload it manually. So here if I will do it, it will say not found. It should say not found. Then if I will give any number like 4, see, it is giving me the result multiply by 4. If I will give 87, sorry, then it is giving me 87 multiplied by 4 is equal to 348.